Yes.
Okay, so Yo Gavva Gavva crib tour 2018. No clickbait. As soon as you walk in, you notice our curated that you notice well, in this corner you notice the hanger. You get out of here. Okay, so you notice the French colonial Dutch painter 5 video, and this was actually came here during the 2007 remake, and it's very important to kind of ties the whole room together, considering the brown thing. All right, so here's our safe, keep our protected belongings. Let's open it as our good password, and in here we have a. That thing. Alright, so here's our bathroom. Alright, no. So in here we have a bathroom. We immediately see the best toilet, sink, everything in here. It's the best this bathtub.
My anti-lovers club subscription ran out.
God, I hate when that happens. Like, it's like the lowest peak of his life. So you see, we got a bed, another bed, because like the two beds make two beds. A TV, a mirror, so you can look at yourself all day. This lamp. He just came here. Like, he's part of the room. Like. Yeah, I don't know when that happens sometimes. So, this lamp was actually brought in from Belgium, as you see. Okay. So this lamp was brought in from Belgium. This is some pine. Wait a few minutes. Thanks, Dad. Alright. So this is actually made of pine/oak. We have a couch. That's now a bed, a door, that's still a door. Another, you may think this is...
It's empty.
Alright, so you may think these two paintings are the exact same. But you see, that one says painter 5'5", Colin, get out of here. That one says painting 5'5". This says painting 9'5", and it doesn't have a line through it, so it's very important. Very important to notice those differences. Also, this one is a little crooked, and they're in different places. So, one painting plus another painting, there's two paintings. Air condition, painting, and let's see what that is.
I'm just a little slave boy. Please, I want my.
So let's see what that is over here.
Hello? Can I have my...
So who is this?
Master? This is what I bought for the last 4 months.
Okay, well, wait, shut the door. We need to shut the door to let you in.
Masters!
So, continuing the room tour, we have, behind you, an iron to make some more Yo Gavva Gavva t-shirts that you all love and want to buy. And we're coming out with a green Yo Gavva Gavva t-shirt. If you buy us an Etsy gift card for $25, it's a good deal. You should do it. Alright. So, the most important part about the room is that we paid for one room, but they actually gave us 2 rooms.
Can I have $8? I can get standard.
No. No, you need to learn how to stop. It's I'm dying. Alright, so to get in our second room, you need to unlock the door. We hear noises coming from the outside of the door. We don't know how to unlock it. we're attempting to experience the beyond. We're attempting to notice what goes on beyond the one door.
Why'd you call?
Get out. So that's our room tour, and yeah, we are posting every. Shut up! Posting every Friday. I like.
If we have to be down in 10 minutes, we should pack.
Shut up, Deep. We're posting every Friday.
I got standards, diamond near Flanders, Kool-Aid jammer, cookie pack on camera, yeah, I got standards.